Do you love a free t-shirt, tote bag, or mug? Of course you do. There's something undeniably fun about receiving an impromptu gift. That's why promotional products are such a powerful tool for businesses. But with so many options, from USB sticks to sweatbands, how do you choose what's right for your brand? To help you pick the promo items that will leave a lasting impression, VistaPrint polled customers in the US and asked them about the items they love to receive. Based on our consumer preference data, here are the 5 most wanted promotional products. Let's take a look. Let's start with the 5th most popular promotional item, tote bags. 34% of survey respondents would love to receive one, and they're good for 100 things, from grocery shopping to taking your stuff to the beach. Totes are great for expanding your brand awareness too, as they'll be on display out in the world for everyone to see. Mugs are the 4th most popular promotional product. 34% of consumers say they'd love to get a mug from a business, so why not get a potential customer thinking of you while they enjoy their morning coffee or tea? You can also add a funny slogan or one-liner to your mug to make it a bit more personal. Just make sure your message is always on brand. The number 3 spot goes to pens. A classic that's here to stay, pens are one of the most used promotional products by US consumers. Practical, portable, and easy to distribute, pens make an impression at trade shows, in the office, or your local coffee shop. And with 38% of consumers saying they're a great item to receive, you'll definitely want to take note. The number 2 spot goes to everyone's favorite cold weather essential, the hoodie. 40% of US consumers say they'd love to get a hoodie from a brand, and it's easy to see why. They're a cozy, durable, and effortless layering item for almost any target audience, from students to athletes to tired parents to tech pros. Since everyone loves a great hoodie, it'll definitely get used, which means your brand gets repeated exposure over time. And the number 1 spot, the most wanted promotional product of 2026, t-shirts. T-shirts offer significant flexibility when it comes to branding, as you not only have a lot of space to include your business name, logo, and a fun design, but a well-fitting t-shirt practically goes with everything. 45% of respondents said they'd love to receive one, proving it's an easy way to not only delight potential customers, but boost your brand visibility too. While it always helps to know the promotional products that are most popular with consumers, remember that you know your brand best. Always choose items that align with your message and your overall brand identity. Choose apparel for long-term brand exposure and small items like pens for high-volume distribution. So there you have it. We hope we've inspired you to think about new, memorable ways to spread the word about your brand. And if you want to start hunting for some promotional products of your own, head to VistaPrint, where you can find all the awesome products you've seen in this video. Catch you later!